Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi Portable printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to print the video photo on this device. So to do it, firstly you need to connect your smartphone to your printer via settings using Bluetooth connection. Then find and open Mi Home application and find here your printer. Then click Video Photos and choose the video you want to use to print the photo. For example, I have this video. So click OK. Choose Capture Photo from this video. And choose the photo you want to capture. You want to use like a printed version of your photo. So for example, in my case, I want to use this shot. Then click OK. You can edit it. For example, I want to use fresh. No, cold looks great. It looks great too. Warm. Cold, yes, cold will be better. Adjust, so border, square, no cropping, square or border. Nope, I want to use just simple border. So you can adjust it for you, you can rotate it, you can mirror the image, you can change the position, so you can use horizontal or vertical position, of course. You can rotate your image, so you can do with the image what you want. And then click OK and click OK. And just click print. And wait a while. So great, as you can see, image was successfully printed, but how to use this image like a photo image? To do it, you need to click Home and you click Scan Video and Photo, Sound Photo. And now just scan your photo and you'll see that your photo now looks like a video, okay? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.